welcome back to Mira's Kitchen. Today I am going to share with you a great and easy garlic lemon salmon recipe that's very easy to make in no time. So let's go over the ingredients. And guys, if you are new here to my channel, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I get to upload videos weekly with new recipes. Alright, so here we have a piece of salmon. I'm using Atlantic Salmon here, but you can use any type of salmon of your choice. We're going to marinate the salmon with salt, onion powder, ground black pepper, and of course lemon. Love lots of lemon in our salmon. Diced garlic and diced green onions, as well as good extra virgin olive oil. There we go. Alright, first I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil into a baking pan. And I have the baking pan covered with foil. Onto that, I'm going to add a few pieces of the lemons that I cut up or sliced. Going to add the salmon piece. I'm going to season this with a little bit of olive oil, salt, and you want to adjust the salt and the pepper to your liking, okay guys? I'm going to sprinkle some peppers, ground black pepper, and again adjust it to your liking. Fresh garlic, half a lemon, this is juice from half a lemon. This lemon is very juicy, so it has a lot of juice. That's why I'm only using half. But if your lemon is not juicy, you might want to use a whole lemon or so. I went ahead and I flipped the salmon to the other side. A little bit of olive oil. Again, seasoned to taste with salt. Some peppers, a little bit of lemon, and diced garlic. You want to rub all the ingredients and the seasoning onto the salmon. Again, going to flip it over, make sure everything is rubbed onto the salmon. I'm going to add the remaining of the garlic here. And I am going to add green onions over the top. Okay, and of course, we love lemons, so I'm gonna go ahead and add lemons over our salmon. Alright guys, this is going to bake in the oven at 375 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. If your salmon is thicker than this size, so you wanna increase the cooking time, maybe 20 to maybe 30 minutes. Okay? Alright, let's place it into the oven. Here I placed my salmon into the oven. It's gonna bake for 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll show you guys how it came out after all. Okay guys, so my salmon baked for 20 minutes in the oven, and here it is. I also want to mention that I forgot to add the onion powder earlier, so I went ahead and added that before I placed the salmon in the oven. But here it is guys, looks so delicious. Let's assemble the dish. Here we go guys, I went ahead and added a piece of salmon onto a spring mix with cherry tomatoes, and I am going to enjoy this for lunch. This is homemade cilantro dressing, but I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle over this, and this is delicious for lunch. So I hope you try it at home. This salmon is very juicy and very tender, and it tastes fantastic. So try it at home and leave me a comment below and let me know how you liked it. And as always guys, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to show your support to my channel by subscribing, sharing, and liking this video. Thank you. Bye bye.